Welcome back. Today we're making a marble toy. First we need to cut the wood using the table saw. We're going to be using full casing molding because the marble will roll down the yarn on the molding. We need to cut the molding in 5 pieces. Now we have 5 pieces and we need to cut them straight using a carve saw. You always need to be careful with saws. Cut them very sharp and them can hurt you. Now we have your pieces for marble to roll down. Next we need to fix the end so marble can go around the corners. Knives are very sharp and they hurt you. So kids will not play with knives. Put up a marble tool in it 4 eggs. We're going to take each cut and nail it to a egg. We're going to take a saber gun and saber everyone in each cat. The saber guns are also dangerous for kids because they shoot out sharp sabers, and so only adults can use saber guns. Now we're going to take glue and glue our cats together and making them go kiss cut, kiss cut, kiss cut. Next, our last two. Let's get sabled on. To keep the marbles on, we have put leather around our corners, all our corners. In this case, a young time, so have to be patient. And first, we're going to glue leather on our wood. Then we're going to take a saber gun and put 2 sabers in it. 1, 2. Once you're done putting it down, you can play with it. First you put the marble on top, and then you watch it go down. Hold your chin at the bottom, so you don't use your marbles. Like and hit about friends this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next one. Bye.